Hello, today we are going to talk about your grower business page. So when you log into CropEdge, you're going to be directed to your grower list. So on this page, it'll have all of your growers, the counties, their grower numbers. And then we also have this column here for if they've been contacted or not. So when you're starting the year, if you've contacted this grower, you can click in this column and it'll create a little check mark. So that way you can keep track of who you've contacted and who you haven't. The next column is quotes. If they have a quote on the system for this year, there'll be a check mark in here indicating that. And then the same for the order column. If they have an order on the system for this year, there'll be a check mark in the orders column. Under stewardship, if they have a stewardship license, it'll have their number here. Otherwise, if they don't, it'll have this little download icon where they can just download a stewardship form directly. Or if you click on e-sign, it'll bring you to the Accelerate website. And if they do have an order on the system, in this column, there'll be a statement icon. And if you click on that, it'll bring you directly to your grower statement. These columns on this page are all sortable. So if you click in this top header part, it'll sort them. And you can sort your counties, your grower numbers, if they've been contacted or not. You can see right away who you've contacted. And then same for quotes. You can see all of the quotes that you've done. And then same for orders as well. Also on this page, you'll notice next to some of the headers, there's this little eye icon. And if you hover over that, it'll give you some information about that column as well. If you want to create a new grower, you can click on this Create Grower button up top, and it'll bring you this pop-up so you can enter your grower information and add them to your list. You can also download your grower list up here, and it'll download your list to Excel. And then also on your grower list page, if you click on their grower name, it'll bring up this drop down here. And next to their name, there'll be a little drop down where you can edit their grower information or remove the grower from the list if you no longer need that grower. And then down here, you'll notice there's two tabs. There's one for orders and one for quotes. So it'll land on the orders tab. And so if that grower has an order already, it'll show up down here. And then it'll have the order type, your description, your order date, the status, and your order total. And then also if your grower has a payment already, it'll show up right here as well. And then here, if they do not have an order on the system, you'll be able to create a grower order right now from here, or you can create a free of charge order or click create replant order. If you click on your quotes column or quotes tab, it'll bring you to the quote. So if they have a quote here, it'll show up right under here. Otherwise, you can click here to create a quote. And so if you're done with this grower, you can just click on their name and that box will disappear as well. And that is how to navigate around your grower page.